Why do engineering students often feel as though they're navigating uncharted territories, lost in a sea of equations, theories, and practical assignments? The life of an engineering student, while rewarding, is fraught with challenges that can sometimes feel overwhelming. Embarking on an engineering degree is like setting foot on a roller coaster ride. There are highs, lows, twists, and turns. Each year of the engineering program presents its unique set of hurdles. The first year can seem daunting as it introduces a new level of academic rigor that most high school students are unprepared for. As the years roll on, the pressure to perform in internships and projects can mount, causing stress levels to soar. But fear not, for every challenge presents an opportunity to learn and grow. The key lies in managing expectations and planning ahead. Engineering isn't just about crunching numbers and solving complex problems. It's about developing a mindset of perseverance, curiosity, and resilience. Firstly, remember that it's okay to ask for help. Whether it's understanding a difficult concept or dealing with stress, reach out to your professors, peers, and academic counselors. They are there to guide and support you through your academic journey. Secondly, don't neglect your mental health. Exercise, meditate, or engage in hobbies that help you relax and recharge. Stress management is just as important as time management in achieving academic success. Thirdly, make the most of your internships. They provide real-world experience and a chance to apply theoretical knowledge in a practical setting. Be proactive, take initiative, and learn as much as you can. These experiences can open doors to future job opportunities. Lastly, remember that your grades don't define you. Yes, they are important, but they are not the sole determinant of your future success. Focus on developing a broad set of skills like critical thinking, creativity, and communication. These skills are highly valued in the workforce and can set you apart from the competition. To summarize, the life of an engineering student can be challenging, but it's also a time of immense growth and learning. The key to navigating this journey is managing expectations, planning ahead, asking for help when needed, taking care of your mental health, making the most of internships, and focusing on skill development rather than just grades. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can turn these challenges into stepping stones for success.